Hi guys, today we'll be having a look at the January Love Your Box subscription, formerly known as Box Pleasures, as you can see here on the box. It's a bedroom box, one aimed at couples or singles. Take care of yourself and enjoy yourself. Let's have a look what they've got. First thing this month was not included in the actual box. It came separately in the package, and it was a notebook. A4 size, little strap, blank pages, great for jotting stuff down. Alright, so in the actual box we've got the little postcard that comes that just tells you all about the box and some contact information. Okay, this month first up we have I don't know if you'd call that chrome or rose gold, but it's a little bracelet. Pretty cute. Next up we have a jar with some texters in it. Highlighters by the look of them. And the cap for the jar is also here, so once you take the texters out, you can use the jar to store stuff in, I guess. And you can use the highlighters in your new book. Next up we have some sachets of Wet Stuff personal lubricant. This is banana flavour. Here we have a Naked bubblegum flavoured condom. We have some post-it notes with a hole in them. Interesting idea. Not sure what you'd really use the hole for, to be honest, but I love purple. These are pretty cool. Next up we have a Eco Pure Triple Milled Soap, a sweet coconut flavour. Well, not flavour, you don't want to eat it, but nice and small, perfect for putting in your suitcase or makeup case next time you go away somewhere. Next up we have, I believe this is a necklace. This is a handmade necklace, all natural by the look of things, with a cute brown stone. Nice. And your two main items in this box, you've got your bullet with multi-speed controller, super strong, from Vola. Apparently it's the staircase to climax. And the last thing we've got in this month's box is what looks to be a Vibe with different functions. Takes AAA batteries, pink in colour, super strong vibration, super mute design. Well, that's it for this month's Love Your Box subscription. Please keep watching, subscribe and like if you like our videos, and we should be getting our Love Your Box subscription box again next month so we can show you what's included in there. Thanks guys, bye.